I am Ishita Kothari and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be creating this no makeup look which has a very hydrating feel और बहुत ज़्यादा hydrating feel हो रहा है. It can be seen on my face. So how I created this look, kindly watch the video. So you can use this look, you can create this look whenever you are going on a date, because whenever we are going outside on a date, so we usually don't like to apply much makeup. We want to look natural and everything. So yes, I have created this look in a daytime. So you can create this look, and whichever product that I have used in this video will be in a description below. Everything will be linked, so in case if you want to check it. So further wasting any time, let's get into the video. So I have washed my face and came here in front of camera. So the first thing which I do is to prep my skin. It is very important to use a moisturizer before applying any makeup. The reason being, it acts as a barrier. So always moisturize your face. So today I am using this Acne Moist Moisturizer. This is what my dermatologist suggested me. You can use any moisturizer depending on your skin. So yeah, let's start with this. Don't forget to apply this on your neck as well. Primer. This is a Calabar primer. Yes, I am going to apply it all over my nose because my nose area is bit problematic. Nose के बाद थोड़ा around my lips. So it's a very small quantity that you are going to use. So I'm just going to apply it near my nose, lips, on my forehead. That I have completed using moisturizer and primer. The third thing which I am going to use is again a primer, because when you are going for a no makeup look or a natural look, the basic important is to prep your face. Basic is very important while doing a makeup. So today I am using this Calabar Water Bomb Magic Water Cream Hydrating Glow Moisturizer. This is the best moisturizer, and I'm using this I guess since an year, because it instantly hydrates your face and it adds that glow. इससे बहुत जल्दी ग्लो आ जाता है और एकदम hydrated skin feel होता है. You will come to know soon. So today I will be using it, and you just need to take a very little amount of it. This much is more than enough. And I'm just going to apply it all over my face. So can you see this glow? This is because of the moisturizer. So once I'm done prepping my skin, the next thing I'm going to use is a concealer. मैं इसे कंसील करूँगी माई अंडर आई एरिया. मेरे को बहुत बार पूछा गया है कि कंसीलर फाउंडेशन के पहले यूज़ करते हैं या बाद में. सो ऑलवेज आई प्रेफर टू यूज़ इट बिफोर अ फाउंडेशन, द वन लेयर, और उसके बाद अगेन आफ्टर फाउंडेशन आई कंसील माई अंडर आई एरिया, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक इट इज़ अ वेरी डार्क थिंग, और उसको कंसील करने में, हाइड करने में, इट्स बेटर टू गो ट्वाइस. So today I am using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in a shade nude, and this is the best concealer I have found so far. So you just need to apply it under your eyes and on the areas which you feel. Just take a beauty blender and just dab it around your eyes, and you will see कितने instantly it hides the area and all the spots that you have on your face. Just dab, dab and dab. So now I have done dabbing and I feel like it has set properly. So the next step is to apply a foundation. For foundation today I will be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is for normal to oily skin and I'm in a shade 220. I'm just gonna take it on my hand and I'm going to apply it all over my face. And don't forget to apply it on your neck as well. Now take a beauty blender and just dab it around the face. So once I am done applying the foundation, the next thing I am going to use is this NYX color corrector. This is the best palette I have found so far. मतलब इसमें सारी चीज़ें contouring हो जाती है, concealing हो जाती है, everything is done. So this is the best product I feel. So what I am going to do is that I am going to take this one and I am just going to apply it under my eyes. बहुत छोटा अमाउंट लेना है ना, you just need to apply it under your eye. And for contouring I'm going to take this brown shade and I'm just going to apply it with a new brush, this one, my nose, and on my cheekbones as well. With the help of beauty sponge, again I'm just going to dab it. So now that I am done dabbing everything, so you will see a difference that how different and beautiful this look is. So once we have completed all the steps, the next thing I am going to do is to fill my eyebrows. I don't use any eyebrow pencils or something. मैं बहुत अच्छा तरीका यूज़ करती हूँ. I just use my eyeshadow palette to fill my eyebrows. So I am just going to take this grey shade and I am going to fill my eyebrows. You will instantly see a difference. So this trick gives a very natural look. ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि eyebrows fill की गई है and बहुत ज़्यादा natural look it provides. And I feel like not to go for a eyebrow pencil or something. If you have a eyeshadow palette, you can use your grey color to fill your eyebrows. The next thing that I'm going to use is this tint by Ileana. So this is the best thing I have came so far. What it does, it gives us that natural cheekbones and that natural color. It feels like you drink lots of water and eat fruits, so इतना ज़्यादा ये natural look provide करता है. So what you need to do is to take it in a, so take this on your hand like this. And ये बहुत ज़्यादा लिक्विडी फॉर्म में होता है, so you need to take care. Just take it on your hand and dab it and then apply it on your cheekbones. I feel that glow on my face. This is the best part. Even I am going to apply this tint on my lips. Just going to take a little amount on my fingertips. So now that I am done applying everything on my face, all the cream based products are over. So the next thing I am going to do is to set everything. To set everything, you need to use a powder. So today I am using this Kryolan translucent powder. यदि आपके पास नहीं है तो आप Maybelline Fit Me powder भी use कर सकते हो. I will link everything in a description below to check it. So I am just going to take it on my brush and just dab it like this. Excess पूरा निकल जाता है. And just going to apply it on my face. This is the best thing to set your makeup. Now for a highlighter, I am going to use this shimmer bricks. So what I am going to do is that I am just going to take a little amount of this pink shade and I am just going to apply it on my cheekbone areas. And बहुत ज़्यादा कम लेना है because if you are going for a no makeup look और a natural look तो इतना highlight नहीं करते हैं, बस थोड़ा सा. And always put a highlighter on your nose to highlight that point. So बस इतना ही I am going to highlight. So today for my eyes I am going to give it a very simple look and I am be using this Nude palette. So I am going to take this stubborn color and just apply it. And this lighter one and this dark brown shade on my outer corners. I am going to use this white shade on my crease of eyebrows. To give that effect. So this is going to look very natural on my face. Next thing I am going to do is to curl my lashes. I am going to use this curler to curl them. Make sure you are using a nice and a good company curler. You will see a difference. And now I am going to apply a mascara. I am using this Colorbar Duo one. And going to curl my lashes. Can you see the difference in both the eyes? ये एकदम से highlight करता है अपने eyes को. Now I am going to fill this again. So now I will be using the creamy matte lipstick for my lips. It has this nude tone. And it's going to give me that natural look. So my no makeup look is ready and you can see how natural my skin is looking and बहुत ज़्यादा natural effect देता है. It looks flawless. It looks beautiful. So you can see. Take a closer look on this. So now I'm ready with this no makeup look and you can see how beautiful and glowing this is. ऐसा लगता है नेचुरल ग्लो ऐड हो गया है एंड इट इज़ लुकिंग वेरी फ्लॉलेस आई थिंक. एंड व्हाट डू यू थिंक? डू लेट मी नो in a comment section below. Till then, see you all in my next video. Bye bye.